Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about a subject that I think it's very important. There's some people that get it. Some people already know what I'm talking about or what I'll be explaining to you. But I think it's very important because many people are not really seeing this in the right angle. For example, first of all, I have to say that this video is not about politics at all. I'm just mentioning the facts. I only care about the information. I don't even have any interest on the politics side of this, right? So many of you know that Donald Trump is a very big crypto supporter. He actually says that he will make everything in his power if he gets elected to make crypto and especially Bitcoin officialized, let's say, a part of the actual economy of the US and by extension most of the rest of the world. So that happens after Trump many years ago, was saying that crypto was actually the biggest threat to the economic system, the biggest potential enemy for the U.S. economy, and now he did an entire flip side. I mean, he just flopped his entire narrative, and now he's saying that he will support Bitcoin. So because of that, many people are thinking that crypto and Bitcoin are only going to skyrocket if Trump wins or if Trump gets elected. They are now betting and pairing the success and the next bull run, the massive implications of the next bull run for Bitcoin, with a Trump victory. Now, I'm saying that this is not about politics because it's not, guys. I mean, I will be showing you right now that Kamala is also saying the same thing that Trump is saying. Basically, she's supporting Bitcoin as well now. And my theory, and other people are also seeing this, is that Bitcoin is going to replace the current status of the financial system. It might or might not replace the dollar. That's not even really important. What really is the matter here is that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies and a digitalized economy are going to be the norm in the near future. They are going to be the new basis of the world economy. And many countries are starting to adopt this. Many countries are starting to create plans. They are starting to develop their own cryptocurrencies. Many banks, many other institutions of high power are starting to actually research into this and develop many cryptocurrencies, CBDCs, for example, in the next few years. I might think that this could happen in a prototype kind of phase by either 2030 or something maybe a little bit earlier than that. But I still, this is just a speculation, guys. I'm not predicting anything right here. So first of all, I want you guys to check out this chart. You guys know that this is my Bitcoin prediction chart. Everything's so good. We're on August 23 as of today, and you can see that we saw a very powerful, very massive uptrend. In fact, the price went from 60 to all the way to 64k, something like that, as of right now, right? So that was in line with what is coming tomorrow. I mean, for example, you see that the previous days were part of this red circle. In fact, 23 is also part of this, but you can actually see that the uptrend is obviously present on the 23. So the red energy is obviously not in this day, but it was on the last day, which is August 22. Although it was mostly a yellow day, you can see that lots of volatility in between, and the price returns to a very similar, maybe lower, but nearly similar position to the one we started. But the next days, we see that, for example, we have this green circle we have on the 24 or 25. Now, given that today we had this surprising uptrend, the best case scenario right here is that this uptrend is actually going higher, even higher, probably to 66k, something like that, either by 24 or 25. It will be very good if it actually happens tomorrow. That will be a continuous uptrend and could be 2 consecutive days. But if it happens on the 25, it's still very good, guys. It's still very good. I'm starting to see very clear signs of cool down. So maybe it might not really be that possible to happen tomorrow, but anything can happen right here. I mean, we're just predicting, and many predictions, most of them are extremely accurate. So now let's see the news that I told you guys that I wanted to share. So this news, you can find in you can just Google this if you don't believe me or whatever. Just found this quickly in a 2-second research, but I already know the context of all of this. So, like I was saying, Kamala Harris signals interest in crypto. She's and here possible or future whatever. Like I said, this is not about politics. I mean, guys, the point that I want you guys to really take into account with all of this is that no matter who wins, no matter who actually gets elected, no matter what party, what person, whatever, the agenda is very clear, guys. And finance goes way above all of this. So it doesn't really care about politics. No matter if you get Trump or Kamala, either one of them are going to be 100% behind crypto. Now, many people don't like this because they're thinking that governments and especially countries taking a massive interest and potentially controlling cryptocurrency is going to be bad. But guys, I mean, this is just logical right here. I mean, this is just how things work in this world, right? This kind of libertarian utopian paradise can only exist in micronations, for example, like in Switzerland or Liechtenstein, something like that. I mean, it does not happen worldwide. So if you're worried about that, I suggest you find a libertarian community or whatever, or you build your own, because the fact that the US and many other countries will get into this, I mean, this is a fact. It's a fact. It's just a matter of when it's going to happen. It's not if. I already detailed this. So I think that's all I have to say, guys. Just a quick video to show you this news, and we'll be updating the charts in the next days and weeks as always. So drop a like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.